The history of renewable energy suggests that there is a steep learning curve, meaning that the more is produced, the cost falls rapidly because of economics of scale and learning by doing. Here we are speaking about renewable energy and the steep curve. This is the cost curve which exponentially falls. Cost curve which falls. The cost falls rapidly because of what? One, economics of scale. Two, learning by doing. The green firms innovations are path dependent, meaning innovation is path dependent. We'll see what is path in future. The more a firm does, the more it is likely to do it in the future. The strong evidence for this is the collapse of price of solar energy. This is what we are talking about, right? Which becomes 90% cheaper during the 2010s, repeatedly beating the forecast. If it was 100 rupees, now it's like just 10 rupees. Moving early and gradually. Here the focus is moving early. Importance is given to moving early or starting early. That is path 1. Gives economies more time to adjust, allowing them to reap the benefits of path-dependent green investment without much disruption. So if you start early and start gradually, it is an easy transition without much disruption. The second path here is talking about path 2. The more chaotic is costlier. A late and more chaotic. Late, this is late, this is early, this is chaotic, this is gradual, this is more costlier. Path 2 is more costlier. Path 1 is more reap the benefits, beneficial. So he's talking about two paths here. This is what he means when he says something like path dependent. Let's see the central idea here. Which of the following statement best reflects the central idea of the passage? Economic scale is essential to transition to green growth. We'll keep this as it is. Modern technology progress is intensely linked to path dependent. The path dependent thing is there. Is it intensely linked? Everything is linked to path dependent. Let's still keep it here like this. Countries with larger economies are in better position to adopt to greener economies. Did we anywhere mention about countries with large economy or small economy or mid-sized economy or developed economy? This is clearly an out of context or out of passage statement. Timing plays a crucial role in the case of green technology. True, right? We spoke about two paths. Path 1, path 2. Path 1 is early, gradual. Path 2 is chaotic and late. So this seems to be true, but let's look at A and B also. Economics of scale is essential to transition to green growth. Yes, this is an idea in the passage, but not central idea. This is one of the component idea of the passage, but not the main idea of the passage. The main idea of passage is D actually. Next, the modern technological progresses is linked to path dependent. True, but intensely linked to path dependent. That makes the statement false and more extreme in nature. Intensely. This term intensely makes the statement extreme in nature. So the answer is D.